Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Amazon Merch, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Amazon Merch, start by visiting the official Amazon Merch website. Create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Amazon account. Locate the Request Invitation button on the Amazon Merch homepage. Fill out the application form with the required information. Be sure to provide a detailed description of your business plan. Submit the application and wait for Amazon's response. Once approved, you will receive an email confirmation. Log into your Amazon Merch account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Start by designing your first product, such as a t-shirt or hoodie. Use design tools or software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create your artwork. Upload your design to the platform following the specified guidelines. Select the product type and colors you want to offer. Set a price for your product, keeping Amazon's royalty structure in mind. Preview your product to ensure it looks as you intended. Once satisfied with your design and settings, click on Publish. Promote your merch on social media or through your website to attract potential buyers. Monitor your sales and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Regularly update your designs to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.